#enjoytomorrow. After we went through the respect yesterday and save today, now we're ready to enjoy our pieces of furniture tomorrow and for the next generation. Basically, we have saved an old piece of furniture. It could be a Victorian style piece of furniture, a post-war piece of furniture, and we redecorated it, we upcycled it, we reloved it, and that way, first and foremost, we are giving it a new lease of life so that it can be enjoyed through another generation, but most importantly, we are showing the new generation to come how to preserve our history through upcycling and reloving our old pieces of furniture. Thank you.